today I wanted to do a quick power hour clean with me. I had laid the boys down for a nap, and so I thought this would be the perfect time to do it. Let's see how much I can get done before Oliver wakes up. So it is 1:15 now, and I will see you when it's over.
So first things first, I always start in the kitchen whenever I'm cleaning, and I had to put the dishes away before I could actually even do the dishes that were in the sink. So I'm just going to do that. Tell me, where is the first place that you start cleaning when you have to clean the whole house? As my subscribers that have been here know, I always wash dishes by hand, mainly because everywhere I've been, we do not have a dishwasher or a dishwasher that actually works. So I actually have learned to prefer doing it by hand because I know that it's getting done. Do you do your dishes by hand, or do you have a dishwasher? Let me know down below. So we have actually found out that we have an apartment coming open right across the street from my mama that is probably going to go to us. So I might be filming some packing videos and an empty house tour. If that would interest y'all should let me know. But I'm definitely excited for that. We have been here at my mama's since the middle of February, and that was one reason why I've actually been off of YouTube for a while. But now I'm back, and I have a lot of amazing content that's going to be coming up because of the move, if that is something that will interest everybody. So if that's interesting, definitely leave a comment and let me know. That way I can know what y'all are wanting to see. One thing that I definitely hate is trash. So here Jared is just getting the trash for me, because that is one chore that I just cannot bring myself to do. I hate taking it out. I hate messing with it. It's just gross to me. And then I had to go and get some laundry out of the bathroom. As you see, it piled up real quick. That's because I kind of let it get out of hand. In my last video, I kind of touched on my depression and my anxiety. And when my depression and anxiety is at an all-time high, I do not clean whatsoever. And so the clothes get neglected and they just pile up and pile up and pile up. But now that I'm starting to feel better, I'm going to try and keep them, you know, how they're supposed to be. But let's be honest, there are 2 adults and now 2 children, so that's just gonna be bad all the time. And as you can see, I am not using regular detergent. I actually got this off of TikTok. I handmade it myself. If you would like to see a video on that, I can definitely show you how I made this laundry detergent. At this point, I was running out of my cleaner, so I had to go and refill it. I used the Amazing Whip It. I got it from Walmart. All you have to do is put in a little bit of the concentrate and fill the rest of the bottle up with water, and you're good to go for such a long time. I think the last time I filled this up was probably about 2 months ago. If you have a little boy and a dog, you know how messy things can get. So I needed to clean off Parker's potty because we are trying to potty train him. It was just a little bit dirty, and it also had dog hair that is floated in from my mama's dog Annie. So I'm constantly having to keep this thing clean. So I just used a little bit of Clorox bleach spray for this. this point, Oliver was crying from waking up from his nap. So I just wanted to quickly clean up this couch, and then I put him in his swing and finished up the living room, but I did not get to sweep or mop like I wanted to. He started getting fussy, he wanted to eat, so this was actually all that I had time for. So this is actually going to be the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that you will leave a comment and let me know, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.